Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing in the Dina Wakley Media Journal and I'm creating a quick and easy art journal page with Neocolor crayons and stamps from my store. I have primed the page with gesso and I'm sketching kind of a circle shape with the Neocolor crayon. Using a circle shape makes it really easy to arrange an art journal page. In case you have no idea and don't know where to put your focal points or where to stamp, just sketch yourself a circle and lay your images all around this circle. I'm working with the Neocolors number 2 because they are water soluble, of course, and I think they are similar to the Dina Wakley Scribble Sticks. One technique I love to use with the Neocolor crayons is to remove some of the paint through a stencil. Today I'm using a stencil from Stencil Girl. I want to create kind of a grungy textured background today, and so I use a lot of stamping. You will find all the stamps I'm using listed in the description box. In between I decided to add some more of this orangey red because it's a nice contrast against the blues and greens. I'm adding some more scribble lines with the crayons without blending them in with water. One thing you can also do with the Neocolor crayons is to use them for stamping. Of course you will not get a detailed stamp impression, but you can create interesting texture. To apply the colors onto my stamp, I just dip the nib of the crayon into some water and scribble it onto my stamp. I give it a little spritz with water again, and now I can create some nice texture. For more grunginess, I'm using a black watercolor pencil. This one is from Faber-Castel, and I love to dip the nib of this pencil into water and make some scribbles on my page. I add more vibrancy to my page by adding some white splatters. I'm using a homemade white acrylic ink for that. It's just a mixture of white acrylic paint, airbrush medium and water. Now it's time to find a focal image for my page, and I decided to use the grungy butterflies number 4, and I color them quickly in with brush show powders. I'm picking colors that are not too far away from my background but a little different, so I'm using an orangey red together with some yellow. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording and I didn't recognize it, so I don't have the coloring process full on camera, and I also missed to record that I stamped these circles from the Rubber Dance round and circle stamps to my page. To finish the page up, I glue my butterflies down. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you see us next time. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye!